I'm going to feed him.
Want to ride him a little bit?
I'm done with him. Nope.
Can feed him again?
I'll get down and feed.
Can you ride him real quick?
Ride him for a little bit.
And then you can feed him again.
No.
Can you ride him? I want to hear him make the clomping noise. There he goes. Oh. Do you hear him? He says, nay! Okay. Now you want to feed him a carrot?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy help you down?
He's eating it.
He likes that carrot.
He's eating them. I'm going to get some carrot. He's eating it out of my hand.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got some more for him. This is his carrot.
Okay.
He likes it.
Yeah.
He likes to eat that. I'm going to comb him.
Okay. Make his mane look nice and pretty. Oh, that looks so nice. You're gonna listen to his heart?
I can't do it.
Okay, I'll help you.